Hello everyone and welcome to this new video presentation of our Notion template. In this video we will present you a new feature that we have integrated and that you will find just right here, the planning feature. This will allow you to better manage your organization. In this section we have 3 elements on the dashboard. Let's see the first one. It's a dedicated steps of the writing process page. In this page you can see in fact the old checklist that we revisited as a database. This will allow us to better monitor the status and to integrate interactive monitoring elements. The stages range from preparation to post-publication. You can choose to mark your steps as not started, in progress, or done. The particularity is that everything you fill in here will be synced with the progress bar at the top of the page. For example, here we see that with these 3 elements checked, the project progress stands at 11.5%. If I check the 4th one, we go to 15.4%. You can find this progress bar on the dashboard of the homepage. This is the second element here. Let's see now the third element. It is a page with your writing schedule and goals. You can create writing goals with a title, a date and time, the number of words you want to write, and the type of session. If you want to start one chapter, one scene, or other. And here you can add more details. We see that we still have our status of progression. We also have one calendar view, which can also be imported into the calendar application. And finally, we have one timeline view, much more practical if you plan several daily tasks, and which can also be integrated into the calendar. That's it. With these tools, you will be able to organize and follow the steps of your writing project in a simple and fast way. I hope you enjoyed this short presentation. Now it's up to you. Download our template and start your adventure. Let us know in comments what features you would like us to integrate in the future. We'll see you soon in new videos. Subscribe so you don't miss anything.